everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rishu and I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator. So caption पढ़ के आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि today's video is all about Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations, but for perfumes. So yes, Nykaa is running a very good discount on today. I will be including perfumes from luxury sections and one from mid-range sections. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video. This is Epis by Moi by Nykaa. And the fragrance notes, if I talk about, so ये कहता है कि top note is of rose, pink, peppercorn and blackberry. Middle note is of lily of valley and cedarwood, and bottom note is of raspberry. So it is majorly a blend of floral and fruity scent, and this is very refreshing. So I definitely prefer to use it in summer. You can give it a try. This retails for rupees 1800, but 40% discount is going on it, so you can grab it for rupees 1040. This beauty, this is from Calvin Klein and it is Euphoria. It is again a EDP or they perform, and this retails for rupees 8050 and you are getting a 15% discount on it, which is you can grab it for rupees 6843, and it is again a 100 ml bottle running something multi-brand fragrance offer. So Nykaa is giving you extra 5% on this, so you can definitely grab it for rupees 6000 by applying all the Nykaa deals. Now winter perfume, मैं generally prefer करती हूँ कि इसको winters में. It is a fragrance mix of citrus and floral. So if I talk about the top note, so it is a citrus scents coupled with a peel of dark exotic flowers, which are, so the top note is citrus and the middle note is of floral, and in floral also it is very species of rosehip, Japanese apple, lotus, something. A 24-hour perfume. It is not specified as you can wear it in the morning or in the night. You can wear it 24 hours. Now the second up is this baby. This is good girl variant but in blush from Carolina Herrera. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So if I talk about it, price ml bottle and it retails for rupees 9020, but again Nykaa is running a 10% discount on it, which takes it down to 8118, and on top of that 10% discount coupon of multi-brand fragrance offer, it's down it priced to rupees 6806, again an additional discount of rupees 8. You can put your card discount or any other discount, so you can grab it, definitely grab it for something around rupees 6800, which is a steal deal. Now if I talk about the notes of this perfume, so the top notes are Italian bergamot and mandarin and almond oil, and the is of yang, and notes is of vanilla and toka bean. Definitely a daytime perfume which will give you a migraine, which just definitely hits to your brain. This is not that kind of perfume, but yes, if you are going to use it, people are definitely gonna ask kaun sa perfume lagaya hai, so you can definitely give it a try. And my last but not the least is this baby. This is from Jimmy Choo. It is in the variant I Want You Forever. It is also a EDP or they perform. This is a 100 ml bottle and this retails for rupees 10,500. Huge on your pocket, but Nykaa is giving you a 10% discount, so you can grab it at 9. That you can put that multi-brand fragrance offer, that coupon, and you can get it extra 475 discount, which takes it up to 8520. And trust me, मैंने इसको सच में 10,500 में खरीदा है. So on 8520, it is a steal deal. But again, if you require it, and this is your summer and winter fragrance, and trust me, ये मैं अपने कपड़े पे हल्का सा spritz करती हूँ and it lasts me for long. मतलब it's a very good perfume. And for this also, the saying is little is more. ज़रा सा लगाइए और कम से कम आप 6-7 दिनों तक आपके कपड़े में से अच्छी खुशबू आती रहेगी. Yes. About the notes of it, so the top note is of juicy rose, pink peppercorn, bitter almond oil. Heart note is, which means a middle note is of black cherry liquor, jasmine, and the base notes is of moss, vanilla. And someone who loves this vanilla fragrance or coffee fragrance, then you are going to love it. So here we comes to an end of this video. If you like this video, then take a moment and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please drop a comment. Bye bye.